Hello there, welcome back. Today, let's draw a telephone. So, grab your pencil, eraser, sketch pens, and let's start together. First, let's draw the base for the telephone. Now, let's draw number dial. For that, draw a circle, another small circle, and very small circles for the numbers. Now, I'm gonna draw the switch hook. And then handset. Now let's draw the cord. Using a black marker or a black sketch, let's draw the outline. Erase the pencil traces and start the coloring. Okay buddies, see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.